This is our R82 Crocodile walker. It's our posterior walker. We've got 5 sizes, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our Crocodile size 0. It's the smallest walker on the market. We've had clients as young as 2.5 years old in this walker, especially used with a surround support, hip support if you need it, or a sling seat, and it can come with an interior grip bar for those clients that need that front support handlebar. The handles are height and width adjustable, and for a walker this is quite a small footprint and it's quite a stable base, so therefore it can be used indoors or outdoors quite easily. As a peds physio, I really like this walker because of how small it can get and how young we can get these children starting to walk at an early age to get that on-time intervention.